June 18, 2018. Got a few here to the downside and a few to the upside. Market is down today, pre-market. We'll see if the market can give us something today. This is the 2-hour, 2-minute chart over here. And right over here we have the 4-month daily. All right, this is the SPY, the market. Watch list for the morning. Usually just trade these for the morning. Sometimes I'll find something that I like other than these, but most of the time it's just these. And you got your level 2s, your bids and the asks. And you got your time and sales here. All right. I usually like to wait for the first few minutes, maybe 4 to 6 minutes before I get into a trade. But a lot of times I can't help myself. I see something, I feel that it's going to go that way, and I jump in it. And a lot of times it goes right against me, but then it goes back, most of the time. But you get those times where they just go against you so hard and they never come back. And those ones, those are hard to control because they never come back. So you're waiting for a pullback and waiting for a pullback and waiting, and it never comes back. Finally, you say, that's it, I can't take it no more. You get out of it and it drops. It's happened to all of us. It happens to me all the time still. Not as often as before, but it still happens. I think it will always happen until you become perfectly disciplined, which is so hard to do with this because every trade is different. Every trade is unique and can do whatever at any time. So you can't judge one trade by a previous trade you took. They're all different. The best scenario is to have an exit strategy. Doesn't matter where, just have an exit strategy. Whether it's a point, 2 points, 3 points, whatever it is. But just don't let it get out of control. Just lose as much as you can handle on it. Once it passes that handling point, then that's when you get into trouble. That's the way I think anyway. But you got to take profits too. And you got to let those suckers run every once in a while. Right? RDFN. I'm going to take this at the ask here if it gives it to me for a short. See what happens with this one. Alright, that's not going to hit us. I'll cancel that. It is dropping. I'm going to take JD here for a long at the bid. If it gives it to us, alright, we're in. Data looks great for a long, alright. It's been climbing real nice past couple of weeks. We had some really good news on it today. I think Google was going to invest 500 and something million into it. It's excellent news. So pre-market, it goes all the way up to 48. Okay. So market opens, gets a big sell-off. Why? Because it's got a lot of people got a lot of money. They want to take profits. So it has a nice sell-off all the way down to below the 9. And there it is. It got picked up there. And here now it's probably going to shoot up. But the market is crashing. So I got to be careful with this one, because it might not be done falling. But it's so strong today that it should go up. It just should go up. But the market is just dragging it down, because all of the buying that would have took place with the market going up like that would help it. So I'm thinking about just getting out right here for a little quick little 10-cent profit on it. Even though it might go up, but the market's making me nervous. So it's better to come out with a small win and then assess and get back in it later. You're a day trader. Day trading, you're not an investor. It's a big difference. If you're an investor, then you're in for it for a long run. But you're a trader, you want to get in. Once it doesn't work out, you get out when you think it's the right time. But the market's just crashing here. I'd like to see this turn up. But look at JD. It's still going up. Still going up. It's probably not going to stop because look at that. Though it does have this strong topping tail here. But that's all pre-market. That's pre-market. So look, now it's just shooting up. See, I should have stayed in it. But I played this safer bet. Market's going down. Read your gauges. If you read your gauges, then you're okay. You'll be better off if you read your gauges. IONS, I'm going to take this at the 18 if it gives it to me for a short. Actually, 36, 39. I'll try it up here at the 39. 42, 39, short. See if it hits us. Here it comes. Market's starting to wake up. Let's take a look at Z. Z looks good for a short intraday, but look at that. That daily is so strong. But you know what? I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it here at the ask for a sell, for a short. I'm going to try it. It's just down quite a bit today. Had some bad news on it this morning. See if we can pick that up at 63.25. Market's going down, so should help. One more little push up and we should grab it. Alright, we're in for 100. We'll see if it'll give the rest. Alright, we're full in. Z. Now, daily does not look good for long. It does not. It's just, it's been super strong. But, it's pretty extended. I had some bad news on it this morning. I forget what it was. And it blasted it down. Gaps down. Look, now it's squeezing. Yeah, I got in it at the wrong time. It's squeezing now. Now I got to think about where to get out on this one because it's such a strong stock that, you know, now I got to figure out where to get out. Probably around 64. You know, that'll be probably my stop area. But now I got to wait for a pullback. But the market's going down. It's down for the day. So I can't have too much leisure with this one because it's so strong. In my mind, anyway. Oh, I think we got in IONS too. Did we? Yep. We got in IONS too. Just got in it at 63.25. Daily looks good for a short. Not great, but it looks good. It's below the 200. It's below the 20. It's been choppy, you know. And today it's the first day it's gone down when it's working out here. Let's see what we can get. Intraday, gaps down, flushes, gets bought up a little bit, and now it's turning around to go back to its initial trend for the morning. Now the daily, it's kind of uptrending slowly, but it got hit really hard today. So we'll see. Stop on this one. It's got to be above the highs here, over a point for me anyway. But technically, it should be right up here. 42.76. That should be your stop. Goes up there, you lose 50 cents or 30 cents, and you're out. But 9 out of 10 times it's going to get hit because it's so close. See, look, now it's going to get hit, and it's a big mover. But we'll see. We'll see what happens with this one. Let's take a look at Z. That one should work out. Just had a little squeeze there, and now it's going to go back to. But you see, now the market's waking up. Now that's a problem. You know, now that the market's waking up, it's going to trigger all those algorithmic machines and do their thing. Let's take a look at IONS here. This one's trying to work. I like to pick this one up below 42. I think it has potential. But if it takes too long, I'm gonna, because look at the market. The market's starting to wake up. Oh, here it comes. Let's take a look at this thing up close. 42. Let's take this at 42. Alright, we're out. We're out for 40 cents. Not bad. It'll probably break 42 and go further down, but safe bet. With the market waking up right there, I took it at 42 for a 40-cent gain. Let's take a look at Z here. Z's did the same thing. It squeezed up right after. Oh, here it comes. I'm going to take this one at the 62 too, if it gives it to us. I mean, I'm going to take this at the 63.02. Or, yeah, 02. Let's see if it hits us. Market is moving up. Come on, just a little bit more. Let's take a look at this thing up close. See the market? The market is saying get out. Oh, here we go. Oh, and it goes all the way down. Oh man, I could have waited just a little bit longer. But that's alright. I took 20 cents from that one. You know, I'll take that. Oh, check out JD. See? I got scared because of the market, and look, because of the market scared me. Look at what I missed. I got out of JD at 17, right down here. Look, missed about 50 cents, 60 cents on it. Could have got at least 20, 30 cents real quick, and I didn't. VRX, I'm going to take it short here at the ask if it gives it to us. And we're in at 25.37. Daily is really strong, so this one got to be careful with because it's really strong. But this one moves. When it starts moving that direction it's moving in, it moves. It can move pretty strongly. So today it gaps down on some news, gets sold off majorly at the open, and then it starts to squeeze real hard. Now it's above the 9, and we're going to take it. Now I'm looking for maybe, I don't know, probably back to 25.10 or so. Probably like 25 cents on it. You know, it's hard because it's starting to bull flag here. So it might pop this top here for a little bit and then turn around and go back down. But the daily is super strong. If the market continues to go up, then this thing will just go up. So you got to keep your eyes on the gauge. But the market's down, so this could just be a little dip buying here, and then it'll turn around and continue on its original trend, the market, which will bring everything down with it. PTCT, I'm going to pick this one up here. Oh, it's already going up. I'm going to pick this one up here at right below 47, if it gives it to us. Actually, I'm going to bring that down just a little bit more. I think it has potential to shoot just a little bit more down. Right around the 75. Oh, look at that thing move up. I missed that. I was just about to go in, but it started to go up real too fast, so. But we'll wait. We'll wait. I think it's going to go down again and then get picked up. Because look at the daily. Daily just real nice. So it's being sold off, like it gaps up all the way up here. And then it starts to get sold off. Because people are taking profits, right? They have to. Institutions, whatever, people. And now it's below the 9. It's being bought up here now. And more than likely, the market being as strong as it is will shoot that sucker right up real fast. But it might drop a little bit more. So I'm thinking about Dropping this just a little bit more down to here. Let's watch this sucker. Oh, and we're in. We're in at 46.75. Now this is going to be a quick trade because it's a big mover and it's right where it should be. I think this one has potential to start skyrocket. I'm going to go to 47.50. Let's try that. Watch this. Let's watch this up close. It should shoot up there and hit us. Here it comes. That's over the 47, so all the shorts are going to start covering. Here it comes. But I am starting to get nervous, so I might take it at the 22 here. I'm going to try to take this at the 22 here, rather. Alright, we're out. We're out for about close to 50 cents on that one. Yeah, see, I had to change my mind right there because when you got over 50 cents on a trade, it's really hard not to take your gains. It's really hard because, especially when you're losing on it. Now, if you start winning on it right away, you can let it run, I think, in my mind. But once you're losing on it, we were losing on that trade for a little bit. You know, you're up 50 cents or close to it, you got to take it, I think. So let's take a look at VRX. That's our last trade here. That's our trade we got here. You know what? This market's so strong. I'm going to come out of this VRX right here I got about 9-cent gain on this one. So I'll take that. You know, and it's coming down now. See? I got out at 25.28 and it's still coming down. That's all right though. Market's too strong. This stock is really strong. I took this one more or less because the market was weak, but the market's not turning around. So, oh, look at that. It's dropping more. Another 10 cents I would have, or 8 cents. And it looks like it's going to continue downward. Anyways, that's going to be my last trade. We're up 186. Let's take a look at the trades. All winners. Mostly all small winners. An okay winner on PTCT, biggest winner. And that's it. Thanks for watching.